So there's a lot of benefits of going to events and conferences. The question is though, how do you get the most out of that? How do you prepare for it, and how do you choose one event or a conference over another? We're in the middle of the conference season and there's a lot of opportunities. So the question is how to choose and why are you going in the first place? What's important and why? If we start to look at the goal, why we're attending in the first place, that can really help us decide. But the goal is not always about meeting customers or finding the right partners or investors and all that. It can also be about building strong, long-lasting relationships with people in the community, an opportunity to give back and to experience serendipity. Part of an successful event experience is about inviting serendipity into your trip. One thing I do sometimes is to block out hours in my calendar and just call it serendipity. I wouldn't schedule meetings during that time. And I'm open for whatever the event is bringing at that time. It might be dinners and drinks and other things. And by doing that, it really makes it more possible to meet these people that you wouldn't have met otherwise. So talking or preparing for an event and choosing which event to go to and then making the most out of that, it's a huge topic, and we actually have a whole YouTube video covering this in detail over half an hour on 30 Minute MBA's YouTube channel. So if you're curious about learning a lot more, we have a lot more on that. But for now, remember that focus on what's the goal of attending, having a couple of specific goals you would like to hit. And as I said, it can be meeting customers or closing deals, but it can also be about connecting with people that you admire. And then when you're actually there, block out some time in your calendar for serendipity and see what happens.